traditional pharmaceutical model of manufacturing in one location and distributing from that place all around the world doesn't really work. And it's not scalable. That's why some of these therapies are so expensive as well. But what we're aiming for is to decentralized manufacturing of cell therapies. And if we can pull that off here in San Antonio, we can create a model that could be replicated across the world. I'm Adrienne Mendoza, Chief Operating Officer of BBG Advanced Therapies, a subsidiary of BioBridge Global. We're a support organization that helps biotechnology to companies develop a therapy and scale it up so that it goes from bench research into clinical studies all the way to a commercial product. We accelerate new innovative treatments called cell and gene therapies. Cancers are a big part of what cell and gene therapies can be used for, but also autoimmune diseases, neurological conditions, genetic disorders. So really anything where you need to boost the immune system to fight disease or correct the immune system so that it can keep the body healthy. The end users of the products, the therapies that we're working on with our partners are the patients in our community. Existing therapies, all too often, they're not enough, and people have to keep fighting and they run out of options. So we're giving more options, we're giving more effective options. Recently we rolled out the first in the world mobile leukapheresis center, and what that is essentially like a blood mobile that can collect cells from donors and from patients. Right now, only 175 hospitals and clinical sites around the country can actually perform that step. And this means that our community has much more accessibility to these innovative therapies. The deciding factors that helped us choose Velocity, Texas is the close proximity to downtown and to great entertainment, the convention centers. It's really cool to bring people down here because it's a very eclectic place, because you have this mix of industry and innovation all together with a lot of history. Velocity, Texas brings together scientists, researchers, people who come from the military and academic sectors, even from manufacturing environments. Several of the customers that we have been working with actually came from our associations with Velocity, Texas. So it not only has helped create talent and opportunities for collaboration, but also a customer base for us. There's just a wide group of people who are collaborating together on this campus, so it's fun to be part of that, and it's very conveniently located to all the major thoroughfares, to the airports. San Antonio really has a diverse ecosystem of people that are all part of what's behind the scenes to make something move forward. There's nowhere else like it in the world.